Welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss data unification for IIoT using the Unified Namespace. So the goal of the Unified Namespace really is to enable as many data use cases as possible. And for that to happen, it requires that the data from across your entire manufacturing enterprise needs to be unified. And let's take a look at how that unification process evolves. So the very first process of data unification is data collection, where we are reaching out into the control systems or all these expert systems and pulling out data. And the next step is to transform this data in a way that it is consumable by the applications that are connected to the Unified Namespace. And the next step is the contextualization of the data. So this may involve pulling data from multiple sources to create that unified data object. For example, if you want to power a predictive maintenance solution for a compressor, you want to be able to pull data about the compressor from maintenance records, from the asset data in a SQL Server database, and also data about the operation of the compressor from PLCs, and then pull this data together to contextualize it into a unified object. And then the next step of data unification is ensuring that all the consent data is normalized. And then once all these steps have been performed, you then want to publish all of this data into a centralized repository of information, which is your MQTT broker. And in the broker, the data needs to be unified according to the semantic hierarchy. So this is where we are then using the MQTT topic namespace to be able to create different hierarchical levels within the unified namespace, where all these sources of data are then mapped into this unified data structure. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with your connections. Please watch out our YouTube channel for more videos like this.